Okay guys, let's break this down. First, let's start with an exercise. We're going to use the outside part of our blade to scrape the ice. Notice what I'm doing here. I'm scraping the ice. Okay, next we're going to grab the wall for assistance. We're going to glide on one foot and then we're going to stop with the other foot so that it creates sort of a T or perpendicular line between the skating foot and the stopping foot, just like this. I'm going to ask you to lean back slightly, tilt or pitch back your entire body from top to bottom as you come to a stop, just slightly, using the wall for assistance. And after you've done all that practicing, it's time to get away from the boards and put it all together just like this. Good luck and have fun.